Hi everyone, it's Jennifer at Art Life Redo. Welcome back to my channel. Today's time-lapse video is a colored jigsaw puzzle that my husband, the puzzle guy, put together in last week's video. But before we get started, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you can watch more videos like this. This puzzle is a colored jigsaw puzzle, junk food. Whoever designed this puzzle has no concept of what junk food is. As you can see, there are fruits, veggies, and cheese. When I think of junk, I think of chips, candy bars, slushies, pop, and fries, all the delicious goodness. What is your favorite guilty pleasure? Mine would have to be sweet tarts. I love them so much. Even though I have diabetes, I try to stay away from them. Also, it's always fun at night when the kids go to bed to watch a movie and pop in a pizza. It took my husband about 15 hours to put this together, and it took me about 8 hours to color. It probably would have taken me less time, but my knuckles kept cramping up and I had to stop numerous times for hand massages. I'm not gonna lie, after about 15 minutes of coloring, I was already over it. When I initially had this planned out, I really wanted to put detail on each item I found. I suppose I can always go back and do it later, but I just wanted to be done. I don't use markers all that often as I'm not familiar with the whole blending and layering. I purchased these DOS Kid markers off of the Amazon as I wanted something cheap that I could play around with that I really didn't care about. So I found a set of these 50 on Amazon for about $20. I also use alcohol markers, and I did purchase those off of Amazon, and I'm not sure the brand because it just says alcohol markers on the side. So now that I'm done, do I glue it? Do I hang it on my wall? Or do I just take it apart and see how long it takes my husband to put back together? Now, there's color on it, so it's not just white with a bunch of black lines, so it shouldn't take him about 15 hours to put together. So leave me a comment. Don't forget to like this video, click subscribe and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye.